I just wanted to show you that it's really easy to make your own cream cheese frosting. Now we're going to do the cream cheese frosting for the carrot cake. So what you need is a blender of some sort, and we have the magic bullet. You need your allulose. You need 1 cup of allulose. So I do a half a stick of butter. So you just need a half a block of soft cream cheese. Remember I told you guys how to do a nice soft cream cheese? Look how soft that is. So then you're going to cream the butter and the cream cheese. Powdered sugar, which I didn't show you guys, is the sugar, and some cornstarch. It's a tablespoon of either tapioca flour or okay, once you get that just going a little bit, then you're going to add in a tablespoon of heavy cream. And you're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. It's better if you have the light vanilla for cream cheese frosting, because these dark vanillas turn the cream cheese frosting a little darker than you want, but this is what I have. Cheese frosting is so easy to make. Now it's ready to go on the cake.